So guys, I'm here with Dylan. He's tied up here because we think that the ghost is actually attracted to him. So he's tied up. Show us your hands, Dylan. There you go, see it?
Yeah, I'm fucking crazy.
So we're gonna test it out. So yeah, let's go. Ready, man?
That's gonna happen, dude.
What was that? What was that? What was that?
What the fuck, man? That's gonna happen. It's just strange, man. That was just a coincidence before, man. There's some prankers in there, you know, I'm not being funny or anything.
Oh god, what's going on? It's freezing out here. What is that noise?
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it? What the fuck?
Dude, what?
Ah,
Oh shit! Shit! Shit!
Ah!
Shit! The door's locked! Alright guys, we're going on this haunted house, and the old woman and old man who used to live there have died now, and two other people have moved in there but they're off for the week. So we're going to go in there and well, break in. I know it's illegal, but there's a fact like a ghost that live there still, so we've got to check it out. Right, let's go. This way is.
This is the house.
This is the house right here. See it? Can't see it, it's dark.
Alright, okay, let's go.
You see it, man?
Yeah, Adam's gonna do his silly little locky thing.
It's locked.
Yeah, Adam's gonna do his silly little locky thing.
Off the neighbour.
Trying to get the key. I don't know where the key is.
Shit.
This is the one, I think. Good thing those neighbours know you really well, Dylan.
Yeah.
Open the key.
Come on, do it!
Open the key.
Come on, open it!
Open it. Fuck's sake.
Open it! That's the door, by the way. The light, where's the light?
Okay guys, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play a little game. Based a little on Jackass, only it's kinda like a scary Jackass.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go each take turns going in through that door. It leads into the cupboard or garage where the supposed owner hung himself.
Cupboard?
Cupboard.
How the fuck is that a
The
cupboard?
big cupboard. Okay, so we're gonna take turns and I'm gonna go first. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys make yourself at home.
Yeah.
Bet you missed me already.
Alright? Okay?
Oh, you, dude.
I thought I saw. Alright, who's next?
Dylan.
Yeah.
Mr. Unafraid, let's go.
Okay.
Here you go. Here's
I'll see you later. Oh, 6 hours.
So then, good luck, yeah?
Good luck.
Alright, he's been in there for a long time now.
Yeah, it's been in there for a while. Sorry, the light keeps fading.
Yeah. I'll say hello.
Whoa! Get open the door! Open the door!
What the fuck, man? Do you plan this?
Dude, I don't know anything about this house apart from it was haunted.
Rope burned.
And
It was your fault, man, because you're the one right there, the fucking human.
Look! Okay, I've got a camera in my hand. You saw me, alright? I was recording here with Steven. If you want to go back over the evidence, that's fine by me, alright? But we're going to do this afterwards, after we finish the investigation.
I'm not joking, it's meant to be a joke. Right, this is not meant to be real, and things are fucking happening. Explain it, this is not meant to be real. Okay?
I can't explain some shit, alright? Not my fault. Alright.
Boy.
Right, if you want to continue this, let's go. Alright.
Okay.
We're going to split up. Alright? Alright. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. That's the string. That's the shit.
What the fuck is that?
Hello?
Hello?
Steven.
What's happening, Steven?
What's this? It's coming from right above us.
This is pathetic, man. It's so pathetic. Oh god, this is so funny.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go.
What the fuck was that? We gotta go. We gotta go.
Come on, come on.
Actually, why would we run upstairs where the fucking ghosts are?
We want to find out what the noise was, so we can say it wasn't a ghost.
Really? I like your thinking, Mr. Adam Moore. And scary Stephen. I'm gonna hang myself again. That's really fun.
And I've been holding the camera and light. I can't possibly. I don't have 4 arms, unfortunately. That'd be incredibly useful, though.
There's no wallet, no.
You know what? What we should do?
What?
Let's be a bit more safer and go outside.
Outside?
Yeah.
Right, come on. Let's go. Alright, I'll just save some power on this camera.
What the fuck?
Dude, what?
Ah,
Oh, shit! Shit! Shit!
Ah!
The door's locked!